Hello guys, just want to show, because I was looking internet for any information about um, video card. This computer was built like 2-3 years ago, maybe a little bit more, and I like that computer very much and everything is good till recently. Video card getting old. It's R7970. It's kind of, they don't even AMD don't even release it anymore, this card. So I decided to change this card, and I had lots of questions about, can I change it on my computer, like will it work, what the size of it, like will it fit my computer, and everything, and blah blah blah. And I was looking in internet and I couldn't find any info about it. I mean, there's info about power supply, one place you need to go. There's info about PCI 3, you need to go other place, but there's no collectible information about all of it in the same place. So I decided to make a video to just show if you can put new video card. I bought this one. So I had several concerns about it. The first question, it's by the way, it's AMD R9 295X2, and you see it has also the water cooler. I think it calls like that. So I had several questions about it. Like the first question was like, will it fit my unit? Will I have enough space to fit video card actually there inside? The second question was, will my motherboard be able to keep it going? The third question was like, my power supply, will it be enough? And the fourth question, we are going to put the water, liquid my goodness, liquid water cooler. Okay, where I'm going to put water cooler, because I has already one, and I saw a video guys putting water cooler on the top. If they have one water cooler, they put second water cooler on the top, removing the normal spinny thing. So all of this question, and I think there's many people who has the same question, so I kind of feel the need, not for speed, but need for make a video just to help you, maybe giving you more information on my example. Will you be able to put a new video card into the old computer? Well, it's not old, kind of like 2-3 years. It's I think it can be counted as old. So motherboard I have, let me find it. Okay, I have P8Z77WS motherboard. I saw they have 97 right now, so it's like, I guess, 2 generations old, if I may say like that, computer. So will I be able to do this? So let's see. First of all, like power supply. I saw videos in internet. They say some people running R9 on power supply which is 700, 800. So 1200 watt output should be good for it. It should run no problem. Will it take my APC will work without screaming? I don't know yet, so I need to check it when I will put my video card in. So power supply is good. Now I have expansion cards. I have PCI 3. Should be also good, because PCI 3 and this video card is made for PCI 3. So that should be good also. By the way, one time I tried to put, and there's lots of videos where people, just I'll check, yes, it's recording, where people put PCI 3 video card on PCI 2. And yes, it's backward compatible. It's backward, it should be good. But on my experience, one time I tried to buy PCI 3 video card and put on PCI 2 expansion slot. And it was working in Windows, it was working okay. But once I go into any game, it starts doing artifacts, lots of artifacts. So when people say to you, oh well, it's compatible, like it's backwards compatible, yes, it is, but it is not in reality, because you will not be able to, it slows down, and in my experience it gives you lots of artifacts in video games. So unfortunately for the people who has PCI 2, you cannot really count on PCI 3 video card. You need to have better motherboard card. You got to have PCI 3 for PCI 3 slot for PCI 3 video card. So we can start, but one more thing about water cooler. I have one, and I don't want to remove spinny thing from here, so I probably will be keeping video card water cooler outside of the box. I may try to put it on the top here or on the top here. I don't know, will they suit there. We can check it. I can check it right now. Okay, so I have, with video card, I have this package. Inside of it we have this thing. So let's check if I can put water cooler on outside box, because that's not good, but it's better if it just will be hang out like of the box, staying on the table. I think it's better to hang water cooler from video card on this thing at least. So let's check if it will not stay out of it. So if I put this thing here, yeah, or here, stop computer, like that. I think it's possible. I think it's really possible. Let me see if you see where I'm going to. No, you don't see it. Okay, so what is going on? Here we go. We can go up higher. So I don't want to remove this. Really, I don't want to remove this. So what I'm trying to do is to put water cooler from video card on the slot, which it's not supposed to help me with any stuff, but like this. And I go like, screw it in, and water cooler will stay here on the outside of the box. It's not the best decision maybe, but it's better decision if it's just hands out of the computer. I think it's a better decision. So let's start. Let's see. I'll put back camera down. See, I have 1200 power supply, which should be okay. And let's see if my video card physically fit into my box. I have mid tower. It's a mid tower. I have lots of hard drives, 1, 2, 3, and SSD. I have SSD. They probably will stay on my way. If they stay on my way, I will remove this hard drive on the top here. So, but let's see how it's going to be. So I'll put on pause just for a little bit.